Right, and now moving on the left again, we have the bottle holder, or some would call it the bottle cages. That's what Decathlon would call it. And for bottle holder, I don't think we need anything too expensive. So let's look at the affordable ones, which are these two, which are $5. So the differences is that this is aluminium and this is hard plastic. And for aluminium, what I think is that aluminium is a little more stretchable. So if in the event if you have big bottles, this will be useful. And whereas compared to this hard plastic bottle cages, they are not as elastic. They can't really stretch because they are on the harder side. But the great thing about this is that there are more color choices compared to the aluminium ones over there. And in terms of bike compatibility, Decathlon says that it's for all bikes except kids' bike. So both of this, they are compatible for all the bikes. This short clip is from the last episode on the top right. Click to watch it or check out one of my most updated playlists that I've selected for you. Fellow riders, see you on the streets!